channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys the Walgreens ad preview for December 13th through December 19th. So we are getting some last minute gifts if you guys kind of need something. The ad's okay, not a lot of great deals, but usually December is kind of a bad week or month to go couponing because most people are just focusing on Christmas gifts and not worrying about couponing. But there's still some pretty good deals. So here we got the gifts of the week. They actually have Melissa and Doug for 50% off for $9.99. I think that's actually a good price if you guys like Melissa and Doug products. I can't remember if I've seen any at my store, but if you guys are interested with that, they got number 7. They have it for $33.99. You get a total of $131 for $33.99. Was $68. I don't know anything really about those products. They got some wireless earbuds for $14.99 and then a photo puzzle for 50% off. That's probably a good deal depending on what the price is. Buy 2 get 1 free. If you guys still need toys, this is the week to get them because they are buy 2 get 2 free. So right now for next week they're going to be buy 2 get 1 free. So you'll pay $13.98 and you get them for $4.66 a piece. And then they have the buy 2 at $9.99 get 1 free. So you guys would pay $19.98 and get each toy for $6.66. If you guys need to get any toys, Hallmark, really nothing's on sale. It just says from 99 cents off. They got some perfumes for $10 off. The cash reward things, I really don't know how that goes. I never qualify to spend enough to get them, so I don't know to tell you guys the details. We do have some coupons for Russell Stouffer if you guys need those, but those are $4.99. The Hershey Kisses or the Reese's, it looks like they're going to be 2 for $4 possibly, and $1 off 2 coupons. You guys could possibly get them for $3 and $3, maybe $1.50 a piece. If I read that right, sometimes their ads are a little bit confusing, so it's hard to say. But here we got some other deals. They got Crest toothpaste for $3.99. We are getting a 5 off a 3 digital coupon. You would pay $6.97. You get a $5 register reward, making them $1.97 a piece. Not the greatest deal. We do have General Mills cereal for $1.88. We are getting $1 off of 2 coupons. There's also going to be a digital coupon. You guys would pay $2.76. We're getting them for $1.38. Pistachios, if you guys like pistachios, that's a good gift to give to people. I know my mother loves pistachios. Then Nivea, nothing. Venus, it looks like you're getting a $2 off coupon plus a $4 register reward. So if you buy the cheapest razor for $9.99, you guys would get them for basically $3.99. It's up to you if you need, that's a good deal. Arm & Hammer, buy 1, get 1 free. Scott, buy 1, get 1 50% off. They got these butter cookies and Praline for buy 1, get 1 free. Arizona's always 2 for $1. Nuts, $3.99. Here we're at some liquor. I don't know if this is good to grow. My son likes this stuff, but I don't know how well that it is of a deal. It looks like it's $7. So, yeah. Here we're just going to keep on trucking. Yes. Actually, this is a pretty decent deal. They got buy 2, get 1 free. So you would pay $2.19 for 3 of them. That's a pretty good deal because usually those are $1 a piece. So, pretty decent deal. My daughter is right here if you guys hear kissing noises. But she just wants to say hi to everybody. We're just going to keep on trucking. I thought I saw a deal. Oh, Breyers, I think we're getting 50% off coupons in the inserts. M&M's. Here's some Kit Kat candy bars. Those are 79 cents. If you buy 2, you get a 79 cent off a 2 coupon for just... You'll get them for both 79 cents or pay 39 cents a piece. So if you guys need that. Then we have, where did I see the peanuts? Oh, I passed it. The peanuts are, this one is $5.99 and there's going to be a $2 off coupon. I bet you it's going to be one or the other, maybe. But this will be $3.99 after the coupon. And the actual price for each one would be $1.66 if you guys were interested with that. So if you go ahead and do that deal. Then we have little things to put in stockings. Little things, 4 for $2. Yeah, that's pretty. All in Snuggle, we are getting $1 off coupons, but you guys can only use 1 coupon per every 2 items that you use because you can't use coupons on free items. So But there are some possibly Ibotta deals. You guys would have to check and make sure we can stack them with some Ibotta deals, but that could be a great deal possibly with the coupons. More pictures. There's a 5x7 photo deal that does end today on Wednesday, but they have been just shooting out those freebies like crazy. Gift cards. They have the Fanatics and Domino's. If you guys buy 2 of them, you get a $10 gift card. Usually I think it's like a $25 minimum. I'm not sure the exact minimum.
Me, Mom.
Yeah, me, Mom. So, depends on what you guys need for that. We have some gifts for $5. More toys. Here they got Hot Wheel cars for 69 cents. If you guys need that, that's a great price. They have some like activity sets for 25% off. If you guys need any of that stuff. Looks like some Christmas stuff is buy one, get one free. So if you guys are eyeing up something specific, definitely check that out because you don't know if it'll be there. I heard Christmas stuff has been selling really well this year just because people are bored and want to buy stuff. So they're going to the convenient places as they see them. Got some beauty sets, 20% off, $10 off. There might be something there. So yes. Gift beauties, they're under 15 bucks, and then there's up to $8 off in savings, so there might be some okay deals. I was looking at this the other day, but I didn't feel like it was a great deal. Nothing that I'm seeing for lotions or any of that stuff. Shampoo, conditioner, nothing. The Nice and Easy, it's $6.99, and then we have a digital coupon for buy one get one free, but buy one get one free for like physical coupon. But the digital coupon is going to be $7.99 off of 2. So you guys will basically get these for $5.99. So $3 a piece if you need those. This is not a good deal. You get a $4 register reward when you buy 4. Not a good deal. The King C. Gillette, usually if you spend $20, you get $10 of cash rewards. But there are some digital coupons. I could just never get the digitals to work. But it's up to you. Now here is an Axe or Axe gift set for $10, and then it looks like there's gonna be a $2 off digital coupon. We do have some it's I think I can't look at my phone right now because my children are using my phone, but there are some Ibotta rebates or Shopkick or some kind of rebates that you guys might be able to stack on it. I will not know until the day of when I scan it, but we will see. Colgate, $4.99. We have 50% off coupons. Not the greatest deal. But then you get a $5 register reward when you buy 2. Nope, not a good deal. So there's just a lot of things that are just not good deals. We do have some Always and tampons. We're getting a $1 off of 2 coupon. They're buy one, get one 50% off. Plus, there's going to be a $5 register reward when you buy 3. So I thought it said 2, but it's 3. So, I was thinking of doing that deal, but not if it's 3. So, if you guys need to take a break, definitely go ahead and take a break. There's nothing here to make you run. I mean, unless you guys absolutely need stuff, go for it. But there's just really nothing that's really popping out, and that is what is in the ads. So just want to share with you guys on that. Take a break if you need to, but I will definitely be sharing you guys some deals, hopefully food deals, because that's what most people do need. Again, thanks for watching. I will see you guys next week.